Hi guys, welcome to Fresh Find Unboxing. I'm Lua and I just got a new car vacuum cleaner. That's
Base A1 vacuum cleaner.
It is mini and compact. There is a 4000 PA high suction and a long life battery. That's what you want? Let's try it out. It's really compact, really beautiful. Yeah, it's all. How will you assemble? Okay, this part goes here. And that's all. That's all we need. It is cordless, light, black with different textures, and not too heavy. Actually, it's really light. So if you have a dusty mat or some parts of your car that are difficult to clean, like that part of the window, you can use this part, right here. And not only your car, you can use it at your home, at your office, to be out of dust at your sofa, at your bed, at your desk, even your computer. It's really good to clean your computer. So I will do a little mess to clean it out. Okay. So if you have kids, this is good. Okay, I can do this all day. Powerful motor that can do a really good sucking. The battery life is up to 25 minutes, so you can clean all your car with just one charging. So the light goes on. It has advanced noise cancelling, so the noise is reduced to 65 dB, which is really low. And you can wash and reuse. It's really eco-friendly. It has a really efficient precision filtration system. It can filter up to 99.7 particles. I really love it. So if you want to get out of dust in your life, this is the perfect product. It's really beautiful, easy to use, very efficient. So if you want to know more details of this product, click the link below. And don't miss the lowest price on 11/11 in AliExpress.